Let's look at MockIThub next feature, the job search. On job search, you can search by job title, filter by location, the contract type, your experience level. Why this matters is because it will show you the jobs that you choose. You have to make sure that you are confident with your approach. So make sure that you have your locations set correct. Bear in mind that not all locations are currently available on MockIThub. Um, so I'm going to type in United Kingdom and I'm just going to say all companies. I'm going to say all contract types and I am a mm, mid-senior level, I would say. Yep. So now I'm going to go ahead and search for a job, and I'm just going to go ahead and type in network engineer. Now, MockIThub just gives you the latest jobs that have been advertised within the last 24 hours. You will find jobs that are out there that haven't been filled up. So I've got a nice looking job which gives me lots of details, full-time, mid-senior, the pay as well. So let's click apply now to look at it a little bit more. I'm going to show a little bit more as to what the job is. I'm going to have a look. And if I like the job, I'm going to search for who the person is that I can reach out for. Um, Great. Direct message the job poster from searchability. So this is the person. It's a direct message. Great. So we've got the information. I like the role. Now, for me to proceed using MockIThub, I will need to copy the role and the role's job description. Once I have this, I can then go ahead and apply for this position. And that's how you search for a job on MockIThub.